the eye bags for me. Woo, child. Did it make a difference? I don't think so, but psychologically, I'm like, I tried to get rid of the look of stress and tiredness, but it is what it is. All right, people, let's get into it. So here is me going through my little face routine. You know, just got out of the shower, making sure that everything is nice and fresh. And when it comes to my competition kit, I always hang it up the night before. So here's me just laying it out on the bed, which makes life nice and easy. So you always just put on the competition layer of my clothes. There I am, just moisturizing my skin. It is important to look after your skin, people. Yes, even us competing athletes, although we're sweating, sweat is not a hydration mechanism. Okay, right, let's get into the hair side. The 4C hair girls are gonna love this, especially the competing athlete ones if you're ever looking for nice and cute hairstyles. So know me coming for my hang time now. Okay, this was February, the edges and the hair length has grown. Anyway, so I was just going for a nice slicked up bun do look. So there I am. I used a Ruka hair extension just to give my bun some more volume, and then I used the edge booster just to kind of stick up my edges, because I felt like that actually worked really well with my kind of 4C hair. Done some little cute little waves and designs with it, and then just secured it with a headscarf whilst I did my my makeup. Yes, I am one of those athletes that wear makeup to competitions. Don't sue me. I just feel like wearing makeup sometimes just makes you feel like kind of good all round. You know, as an athlete, a lot of us, this is our full-time job. So when we do step out, it's like, you know, you want to look good when you go to work. So that's kind of my reasoning as to wearing makeup. And in general, whenever you step out, you always want to try and make a good impression. So let's have a look at the final look. Ooh, okay, edges on swim, so they hate on him. Yes, the edges are giving, the makeup is giving, natural, cute. Remember, people, we all saw what I look like to begin with. So this is, yes, it's giving transformation all the way. So there I am, obviously very happy with the outlook. Nice and cute and ready to go. Right now, totally giving cheerleader vibes, making sure I can move around in my kit. Ooh, running fast. And yeah, just kind of feeling good, relaxed and ready to kind of go. So here's a final look at my hair and makeup, and I think the lighting was a little bit better here. And yeah, I'm just kind of happy that everything kind of looks good, well together and pulled in. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of taking too long making this little video, and then I realized I actually have a competition to go to. So then here I am, basically rushing around. Yes, this is sped up, but this is pretty much how I felt. Anyway, let's have a look at my final thoughts before leaving. So I'm just about to leave to go to the track now and race. Final thoughts. It's go time. No matter what happens, having religion to me is a very calming thing, especially on race day, because in my head and what I believe is that whatever happens is part of God's plan, whether it's good, bad or whatever. There's a lesson in every race, the great races as well as the bad ones. So it's just like today's just another step on my journey in life and in so many different ways. And so I got to give thanks to the man above regardless of what happens today, but I'm just going to do my best, warm up, do what I need to do and go have some fun. See you guys on the other side.